presided over by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization country representatives and attended by local authorities and civil society organizations.
9 community groups have recently benefited from a grant of $2,700,000 through Forest Farm Facility, otherwise called the FFF. The beneficiary communities include Refesa Association, All Gambia Forestry Platform, Rural Development Organization, Brufut Alatentu Association, as well as Aquaculture Farmers Association, Tumana Association for Development, Rural Poultry Farmers Association.
9 community groups are set to benefit from a $2,700,000 grant. This after signing a letter of agreement for the Forest Farm Facility project. The ceremony, as we hear in this report by Buba SMCC, was presided over by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization country representatives and attended by local authorities and civil society organizations.
9 community groups have recently benefited from a grant of $2,700,000 through Forest Farm Facility, otherwise called the FFF. The beneficiary communities include Refesa Association, All Gambia Forestry Platform, Rural Development Organization, Brufut Alatentu Association, as well as Aquaculture Farmers Association, Tumana Association for Development, Rural Poultry Farmers Association, Bureng Adult Literacy Class, and Japante Society. The selection was done through a competitive process.
We agreed on the call for proposals because we believe that's where we can actually indicate transparency of the whole process. When this call for proposal was made, we had over 30 different project proposals coming from forest and farm producer organizations. To go through those 30 proposals was really very hectic, okay, in order to shortlist a range of proposals. I thank you all for spending those tireless hours, even after working hours. The team continues to screen these products, project proposals.
In the Gambia, at the national level, we see the very, very active engagement of national authorities. The National Environment Agency is part of this. The NR Group is part of this. We see the very active engagement of civil society groups, some at the national level, such as NACO and the Farmer Platform, and also at the community groups, such as today's recipients of the small grant. And this is really exemplary in the sense that it really represents one of the key aspects of the Forest Farm Facility, in that it was really meant and designed to link these global, national, local community processes. So in the Gambia, it has really succeeded.
The president of National Farmers Platform, Alhaji Basemboj, underscored the numerous interventions carried out by Forest Farm Facility project. Speaking on behalf of the beneficiaries, Aja Fatou Mboj of Bureng Adult Literacy Class thanked the project for enhancing their livelihoods and expressed their commitment to the success of the project.
The health of the soil depends centrally on the health of the forest. So there's this interlinkage that we cannot ignore. And at the end of the day, we see that our own health as human beings depends fundamentally and is intricately linked with the health of forests and the health of the soil. So when we talk about sustainable management of our natural resources, sustainable methods of farming, we are really talking about our own lives and our own health.
The project seeks to promote sustainable forest and farm management by strengthening capacities of stakeholders for effective engagement in policies and investments. Buba SMCC, GRTS.
The country's health sector has received a major boost with